Finished editing your audio, but now it's stuck in Adobe Audition? Today, I'm going to show you the super simple way to convert any Audition project into a universal MP3 file. Let's get started. First, make sure your audio project is open and you are ready to save it. Now, go to the top menu and click on File. In the drop-down menu, select Export. From this new menu, you will select File if you are editing a single file. This opens the main export window where all the magic happens. First, give your file a name, right here at the top. Next, and this is important, go to the Format drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the list, select MP3 Audio. You can also check the format settings below to make sure it's set to a high quality. Once everything looks good, just click OK. And that's it. Audition will now export your project as a high-quality MP3 file that you can share anywhere. Thanks for watching. If this quick tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Audition tips.